What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video right here on MONAD. We're going to do a full update on MONAD. We're going to talk about the technicals, we'll talk about order flow a lot. I think order flow right now matters a lot when we're talking about MONAD, given the fact that one of the key reasons why we've seen this rally has been the order flow. We'll talk about that, we'll talk about some interesting levels we're heading towards right now in terms of a potential buy or potential long area, which is essentially the same, of course, but yeah, we'll talk about that and we'll talk about the general expectation because of that. My apologies. My general sentiment and the structure as well is still bullish, right? I mean, the key support level that would need to hold is this level right here between 3.8 and 4 cents. That's both on a structural level, a very important level, but that's also where we have the 4-hour trend. That's where we have the 7-day rolling VWAP. That's where we have the 30-day rolling VWAP. Very relevant, and it seems to me that we are dropping down into that level. On the lower time frames, we're losing momentum. However, the question is okay, when we drop down into that level, which, like I said, seems quite likely, can we actually expect a strong reaction? Can we still expect to move into that next price target right here? Let's for simplicity's sake say 6 cents. So we'll talk about that. I briefly wanted to look at some fundamentals. Is MONAD still growing? Yes, it is. It is definitely growing at a lesser pace, but stablecoins market cap is $200 million. It's pretty good. TVL is sitting at 134. DEX trading volume sitting at $270 million. So that's up about 70 million. Since what is it? Yesterday. TVL I think is up $10 million. TVL is not up that much, to be fair. And why is it not updating anymore? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so TVL is up about $20 million since yesterday. So fundamentals are still improving, but not that much anymore. I do know that the long-short ratio for MONAD is still quite aggressively short. You can still see the same as what we saw yesterday, is that the long-short ratio is negative, right? So that means that there's more shorts than longs. However, it is getting much closer to 1, and you can also see that the top trader long shorts in terms of positions is 1.2. That is still quite high, but this can very quickly get to 1 once they actually start taking profits. And the long-short ratio getting towards 1 is a little bit of a top signal, right? Because ultimately what drove up the price a lot of MONAD was those shorts. And you can also see a positive funding rate right here. That's actually quite positive for shorts. That increases the short appetite. But we'll have to see. I mean, that's, is a little bit of a top signal, I would say. When we actually take a look at the specific order flow, what we saw yesterday is that the order flow was still quite high, and now you can see, oh wow, there's actually still quite a lot of shorts coming in right here. I mean, look at this. You can see the CVD is decreasing quite significantly while the open interest is rallying. Now, that's not only shorts coming in, of course, that's also long limits being filled. But the shorts seem to be getting away with this. I doubt that they will get away with this for much more time. MONAD is losing momentum. Ultimately, it still has a lot of momentum. It will probably all depend on this level right here at 4 cents and 3.8 cents, right? Like I said, strong structural level, 30-day rolling VWAP, 7-day rolling VWAP, 0.5 FIP, 0.618 FIP, fair value gap. Who doesn't love a fair value gap? And we can see on the lower time frames as well. And by the way, for those of you asking, I'm looking at the pre-market chart here as well, right? So this is on Binance. You get a little bit more structure or a little bit more price action that matters less, but it still matters to a certain extent. But here you can see the massive support level that we have. The key to getting one more move up for MONAD would be a strong reaction at 4 cents and 3.8 cents. So that is generally what I would advise, is wait for a touch at that level. Do we actually see some sort of momentum coming back in? Do we see some longs coming in that are going to hunt the shorts? Do we see shorts getting out? Then I think we can still see that move up to 5 cents again and potentially also to 6. If we do not see a strong reaction there, we're most likely going to slowly but surely drop down all the way to 3 and 2.8 cents again. So those are very different worlds, and it depends on how we react to that level at 4 and 3.8 cents. Personally, which obviously is why you click a video like this, you want to know some sort of an opinion, I would say it's most likely we will get a strong reaction, and that will at least get back up to 5 cents. And then I'll keep you updated on whether I think the momentum is enough when we are moving towards 5 cents to actually get up towards 6 cents as well. So that I still owe you, but for now, that is what I think you need to know. Thank you for watching, everybody. In general, be careful trading this. I mean, we're entering some low volume, high volatility circumstances in the next couple of days with Thanksgiving and the weekend. So be aware of that, but those are my thoughts for now. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.